In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Coinbase asset balance in seconds 2025 tutorial. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result that shows the secure padlock and the correct domain, then head to the site. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main home screen. This page typically highlights market movements and a snapshot of your account, but our goal today is to quickly zero in on your balances. From the home screen, look for the section or navigation that says My Assets. Go ahead and click My Assets. This is where Coinbase lists each cryptocurrency you hold along with the current value and your available balance. If you see values in a currency you don't use, look for a small currency toggle to view amounts in your preferred fiat. You can also scan the list to spot your top holdings at a glance and use the search bar if you have many assets. Next, move to the lower part of the page and select Advanced. This opens the more detailed view, which is designed for a deeper breakdown of your account. Don't worry if it looks a bit more technical, we're only using it to get a clearer picture of your balances and activity. Inside the Advanced view, click Portfolio. The Portfolio tab consolidates your total account value and shows how it's distributed across your assets. Here, you can often sort by size, performance, or name to quickly find what matters most. If there's a time frame control, try adjusting it to see how your balance has changed over different periods. Remember that portfolio value reflects live market prices, so small fluctuations from minute to minute are normal. Finally, click Transactions. This section is your ledger of activity: buys, sells, conversions, deposits, withdrawals, staking rewards, and more. Use the filters to narrow by asset or transaction type so you can confirm exactly where changes in your balance came from. If a transfer shows as pending, it usually just needs network confirmations and should update automatically. Make sure the asset ticker and network match what you expect before you initiate any transfers in the future. That simple check helps keep your balances accurate and safe. That's it. Open Coinbase, head to My Assets, switch to the advanced view, review your portfolio, and confirm details in transactions. With these steps, you can verify your asset balances in seconds and drill into the details whenever you need more clarity. Thanks for watching, and keep your account secure by signing out on shared devices and revisiting this flow whenever you want a quick balance check.